You don't have to spend $20 to get an organic vanilla extract, and you definitely don't need to spend $6 on a small bottle of it that's loaded with sugar, corn syrup, and junk. You just need 2 ingredients, the cheapest vodka I could find, and Madagascar vanilla beans. Those 2 simple ingredients, that's it. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a pure, clean Madagascar vanilla extract. Let's get started. Madagascar beans, and we're gonna cut them open and we're gonna split them. And I've got 3 mason jars that you can see here as well. So we're gonna split some of these beans open. Now the more beans, oh my gosh, just the aroma when I pulled these out, you guys, oh my gosh, delicious. Now the vodka is gonna need to cover, split them in half, and then you're gonna split them again, but you don't need to cut them all the way through. Just split them so they're open. The little beads in there. That's the vanilla bean paste. And then we're gonna throw them into a mason jar. I'm gonna do 6 to 8 in each one. Oh, delicious. The more you put in, the more flavorful it's gonna be. Now, I'm gonna take this jar and my vodka. And I'm gonna do 1 cup. Now, just so you know, you need at least a 70 proof. And how you tell on vodka is if it says 40% right here, that means it's 80 proof. Okay? So now if you wanted, you could dilute this a little with water, but I'm not going to. So all you're gonna do now, seal it up. Okay, for this next one, I've got this big jar bottle, and I'm gonna take 12 of these and do 2 cups. But you wanna make sure that the bean is completely covered. So we wanna make sure that we split them in half just to be safe. 2 cups, because I used double this time. Those normal little vanilla bottles is 59 mils, it says, which is 2 ounces. So you just watch me put 16 ounces in here and 8 ounces in here. So I've got this left in the bottle of vodka. I'm gonna use all 26 for 15 bucks. Like, think about the cost savings. I spent $15 in the beans and I spent $22 on the vodka. So would this give me more than what I'm gonna buy at Whole Foods? Yes. And is it pure, clean ingredient that I know what's in it? Absolutely. Like the best, the best. This is the 2 cups and 16 beans. This is 1 cup of vodka and about 6 to 7 beans. And this one is 2 ounce and 2 ounce of vodka and 2 ounce of water and about 6 to 7 beans. And now we're gonna store them in a cool, dry place, which is gonna be my pantry. And every day for 6 weeks, we're gonna give them a shake. Could that be simpler? Now you've made homemade vanilla extract. That easy. If you've been a yo-yo dieter for 45 years like I have, you're not alone. I can tell you one of the easiest ways to get out of it is to start having things like this. Real whole foods. Don't give up your desserts if you don't want to, and still maintain a healthy 140 pounds. It's possible, and it's possible for you too. and you've got pure, clean vanilla extract without the expensive cost and very little time. Waiting is the longest thing we have to do. Thanks, guys. I'm Karen. I'll see you on my next video. Take care.